station out here. I said, God damn.
Oh, shit.
Alright, we need to get some fucking into this shit here. Get on in here. Start over.
There's a car in there somewhere.
There's a road around here somewhere. They didn't have fucking 1,000 things in their road. These people are like, how am I gonna get in my house? Porsche. See that up there? See on the Porsche?
Oh, yeah.